today's agenda or today's to-do list, I would be editing this paper. This is our thesis for our practical research. This is only the chapter 2 because we're done at chapter 1 now, but we're going to have our defense on Wednesday. It's now on Monday, so doesn't really have much time to prepare. So I would be editing this one and revising it, and then I will be making our PPT presentation for our defense for chapter 1 and chapter 2. After that, I will be making a script together with my other group mates for our live broadcasting, and after that I would be making my notes for basic calculus, and after that I would be making my philosophy homework. So please enjoy the time lapse of me making my to-do list, and then shout out to my companion for today. We have our matcha milk tea. I haven't tried this one yet because I don't have a frother, and I'm still researching what frother is the best. So yeah.